Hello, welcome back to my channel. My name is Norma Costa with Mommy's Designs. In my channel, you will be seeing videos on how to do different kinds of DIYs, from printing to screen printing, to making jewelry, to making ornaments, a whole bunch of different ideas that I have for you. Let's not wait any longer and let's go to the table. In this video, we're gonna do a review on this glitter. They have different kinds of glitters. The name of the company is Renfio, and you can find it on Amazon. And I'm gonna put links of the product in the description box. So I wanted to show you, they have different sizes and different packaging. This is one that they sent me. This is the white Renfio, and it's a very fine glitter. And let me just bring that up to you. So this is how that one looks. So this is how this one looks. It's very fine. It's super fine. And I really like all the shine that it has. And this one came in this pack. This glitter comes in this bag, which is 1.75 ounces. This other one, this is the glitter that is more, it has the fine glitter, but it also has like big flakes, small and little. It has both of them, if you can see. And it's super shiny. It shines in it like different colors. That one here is the bag, has 3.5 ounces. So that's that one. And then this other one is the one that I have in the plastic container. This is also large flakes along with the fine glitter. And that one comes in this container that it's 330 ml. Milliliters. I don't know how they measure this one, but it's this large one right here. And it's a very good size. You can do a lot with it. So here's this one came in this box. So now this is the tumbler that I'm going to be using, and I'm going to be adding 3 different colors. The 3 different colors that you see here. I already cleaned it really nice, and I'm going to be putting this on the bottom part of it, and then this white one in the middle and the other one in the top. So it's going to be a combination of the 3 different glitters, so you can see and we can be able to do the best review. I'm going to be using this Mod Podge, but you can use any Mod Podge you want. Remember, I'm going to be putting in the description box all the links of the items that I use. So I'm going to go ahead and grab my brush, and I'm going to be applying the Mod Podge all through the tumbler. Just like that, all around. Make sure that it's spread nicely all around the tumbler. Make sure you apply nicely in the bottom, and make sure all your Mod Podge is evenly applied. So now I'm going to go ahead and do the bottom part, which is the gold. We're going to go ahead and do the bottom part first. So now I'm going to go ahead and do all around, maybe in the bottom part. We are going to be doing 2 coats of this. You will only see me apply 1 coat, and then I will just come back at the video with the second coat already applied, so you can see how it looks. But if you can see here, like how nice it, look at how shiny it is. I mean, I'm really impressed with how shiny it is. So now we're gonna get ready to use the second one, which is the large flakes in white. So we're going to distribute the white one, and make sure that you have different, things in the bottom so you can allow the loose glitter to land there, so then you can put it back in the baggie. So I'm doing the and there it is. Look at how nice and shiny it is. I haven't used another glitter that is as shiny as this one. Look at that. So that right there already, I will have to give it a 10 plus. So now I'm going to put the fine one. I'm already in love with the product. So we're going to do the rest of it all the way on top. I'm very impressed with how shiny it is. Very, very impressed. Okay, there we go. So let me show you how it looks. Wow, look at that. Look at that. So now I'm going to go ahead and put it this way, and I'm going to let it dry. And once I finish with the 2 coats, we will come back and we go ahead and finish the review. See you soon. I already did 2 layers of the glitter. As you can see, look at how beautiful it looks. I'm very impressed with the shine, and I'm sorry I keep saying that, but I haven't seen another glitter that shines like this one. I mixed 60 milliliters of the resin, and I'm in the description box. I'm gonna go ahead and put the resin that I use the most. I have tried quite a few different ones, but this one I really like. And I'm gonna put also the description for this machine. It's gonna be turning the mug like that so that the resin dries evenly. Okay, so basically I'm just gonna go ahead and put this over it and start spreading it with strokes this way, or depending on where the glitter it looks like it's going. You're gonna lose some of the glitter because this glitter, it's the flakes are a little big, but if you go down so that it settles down, because right now some of them are sticking up. So there you go, guys. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and let it work. Leave it here and let it work. Okay, so we are back, and we're gonna go ahead and see our results. This is the, let me move this out of the way. This is the tumbler that I did. Look at how beautiful, look at the shine of each one of the glitters that I use. Really nice, I really like it. Beautiful. This is the other one. I mean, let me show you this side. Look at how beautiful it looks. Very nice and shiny. After the 2 coats of the glitter, I did resin, and I left it on the turner for all night. So this is the result. But look at that. Look at how beautiful, how amazing it looks. Look at that. For me, guys, I hope you like this video. May the Lord bless you today and every day. And until next time, thank you.